Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial, and we are back to finishing up our baby turbans. And today I am making the one with the knot up here, as you can see. So in order to achieve this look, of course you will need your turban base. I already showed you guys how to make this turban base. If you do not know how to make it, please go back to my very first video on how to make a turban base for baby turbans. The next thing you will need is just a regular piece of fabric, and this piece measures 28 from here to here, 28 inches by 6 inches from here to here. And what you're going to do is you're just going to fold it in half, and this is how it looks when folded. So it measures 28 all the way by 6.5 right here. So once you fold it in half, what we are going to do is you're going to sew a straight line all the way from this to this end right here. Once you have done sewing a straight line all over, a straight stitch, what you're going to do is you're going to turn this inside out. After we turn this inside out, what we're going to do is we are going to take our needle, our regular hand needle, and it's time to attach this piece to our main base. So what you want to start with is you want to tuck this inside here first, just like that, and we are going to use this piece to close the inside so it looks neat and none of the excess fabric is showing, as you can see right here. So what you do is I am going to sew this part around here first, then we'll continue with what's next. We are done with the inside part. The next thing is we are just going to turn this back to the outside, and now it's time to start making the knot, as you can see. So in order for it to be a knot, what you want to do is you want to twist this fabric as you go. So I'm going to start twisting and going around. I'm going to repeat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece and start twisting, and as I twist I am just going to be going around this part. So you want to keep twisting and going around. Twist your fabric and go around, and this is how your knot is going to start forming up. As you're twisting, you will see how big your knot gets. So if you want it to be small, you just want to cut your fabric and you will tuck this in and sew. If you want it to be big, you just keep twisting. So as you're twisting and making this knot, you will know what size you want your knot to be. So let us say I want mine to stop right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my piece of scissors and cut. Once you cut your fabric, what we are going to do is we are going to tuck this inside here. I'm going to repeat. You're going to take this piece and tuck it inside. And after you tuck it inside, what we're going to do is we are going to take our needle and just start sewing everything up. Make sure this is secured. So after you are done hand sewing around this part, you also want to sew, to put these together, just sew around these so they are all stuck to each other, because if you leave them they might come out. So you want to take your needle and keep sewing around the inside of the knot. Okay guys, so we are completely done. We made sure our insides are tucked in and our outsides are also tucked in, and you also want to make sure you sew this part of the outside of the knot together so it doesn't come outside or unravel. And that is it for you guys. I will see you in my next tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and bye bye.